Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix no GPS signal issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search weather. From here, scroll down to end. Click on weather. After click on weather, click on storage. After click on storage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data and click on delete. After the process, go back and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on battery and select unrestricted. After select unrestricted, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app, scroll down to, and click on general management and click on reset. Click on factory data reset and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.